Hello and welcome to Adamazi TV. In the spirit of connecting all African studio route via the showcase of the cultural heritage of all African communities to the world, Adamazi TV was live on Tuesday, 8 August 2023 in Ngbo community of Ebonyi State, Nigeria, for the showcase of the New Yam Festival of Ngbo community. According to report, Ngbo Ejogu New Yam Festival, otherwise known as Itsukwe, remains an outstanding festival among others which survived Christianity and is still being celebrated with vigor in Ngbo community. Report has it that this cultural heritage was at the verge of going into extinction, but the gallant youth of the Ngbo united and revived the famous Itsukwe of Ngbo land. On that note, this year's edition of the Itsukwe New Yam Festival was witnessed by many sons and daughters of Ngbo Nation, as well as other special guests such as Honorable Stanley Ifeanyi Ubewu, Honorable Commissioner for Culture and Tourism.
Commissioner for Culture and Tourism, may we all rise as we welcome our Honorable Commissioner for Culture. Aberam kam me bio menala manam dara kam me ya ko gusosi ike.
Right Honorable Onachinedu, Deputy Speaker, Ebonyi State House of Assembly.
Within the Leaders Council, our plan again doesn't have plan uke he. Ajam leka madam gane chima. Amad meka na gwopu. Tabasha libe kai ne me bi be ndum me le me hat libe na mae. Yes sir. Libe ai ne me bi gando so le me libe he ejikotono.
And Adamazi TV was not left out in this year's festival. Talking about the New Yam celebration, it is a festivity that cuts across many Igbo communities, and these communities in turn have different ways of welcoming the New Yam. For the Ngbo people, what you are watching right now is popularly known as Itsukwe, and it is one of the climax of the celebration of New Yam, which signifies gunshot and great shout of joy for the arrival of New Yam in Ngbo land. And this particular traditional music you are watching now is called Nwankato Dudu. It is peculiar to the people of Ngbo land, a traditional music instrument used in welcoming and celebrating the New Year. Does your community celebrate New Yam Festival? Let us know in the comment section below how it is being done and what you feel about Ngbo pattern of celebrating the New Year. My name is Emmanuel Ngozi and you are watching Adamazi TV. If this is your first time joining, do well to subscribe, like and share. Thank you.
President, President Mbezaka Youth. Igwe Bogde Jugota Stadi Brive, Popodo di Brive. Loro Boneka, Aina Sheto Tope. Aprikele Kogo. Bono, you know Tope. The chief, the sort of Umbo.
Ancient landmark of your fathers. Ano katakwa not kata. Ija ewo frontale. Now head the bill. Ena ime ya kwanza yika go febo.
Cha ekwashi polo. Iya. Cha emazaka kwazono.
Chi ifabeli gudia. Ya bibe wo tani Itsukwe. So Itsukwe lo nwe ya Meme, Ngbo me, if they have a major for.
Lipe. Owota Ekano. Don't invoke the spirit of our forefathers. Mina mani member. Ewore ne fele konye kabogreya. Ishali. Ekwash. Don't go over.
For him to pray.
Aringo. Kevin Suku. Akwango. Akaka. Bani Yusuku Tan. Unzungu, Wamla. So, Washington goes around. Wamla, Bunzuku. No, this should have a good. Have go with her. I am Kayago, Uma the law, under the eye. The head boom. Trying to get a head boom. I go. Tejibia. I lay you to be sick. I tell you, Chokashini. I tell you, Chokashini. I have room. What's the one time a rosa? Unto the rosa, bending Lula. So I. No matter Papa baby. Tani Pakotana, Wawa. But, so I. God, oh, the head is. Very moving. Carry take you. Okay, no, very prepared behind them. No, they were too good at time better. When you're going to think of it, I have draw from my country. Thank you. Manonya Murukuf Church. The family.
the family of Mr. Dis wish to dedicate our bouncing baby boy. My bouncing baby boy.
Wala, why you